Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Shiraz, and today we are going to start again with the OS command injection exercises on the labs from Portswigger. And let's start. Before starting, I would like for you to set up Foxy Proxy. So all you have to do is go to Google and search for Foxy Proxy. Then click on this button, the standard one, and then add to Chrome. Well, and this just added to Chrome. This is what something I'm making for beginners, so I expect that you didn't have that installed. If you have this installed, then just skip ahead to the part where we install the OS command injection exercise. After that, click here and pin it. I like to pin it because for easy access. So here we have the option to set the options of Foxy Proxy. Go to the options. Yeah, double click this one. Set manual proxy configuration and set it to 127.0.0.1 and port will be set to 8080. This is the port that burp suite uses for sniffing the requests. And now we are all set. See you in the next one. Bye bye.